Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to discuss important points of banana. See, in the last video, we have given you almost all important points which are beneficial or which are very important for the upcoming examinations of IBPS A4 mains. We know that just now prelims examinations has not been declared, but guys, whatever be the whenever will be the result, just don't think regarding that. Okay, you have to think in your mind that your exam is going to be conducted on the right time, or if it is delayed also, you please do not think bother regarding that. You must keep your preparation on, right? So we'll try our best to give you complete informations. Okay, you do know, now we are going to make video in a very short manner with not more explanations. As you know, there are many things which we have to cover. Okay, so let's see one by one these important points regarding the banana. Okay, first, you know that IBPS can ask anything. You have seen many times they have asked last 2 years regarding the family of the crops or the botanical name. So banana, when you talk about the botanical name of banana, then it is Musa Paradisea, family Vijayaceae, and origin is Southeast Asia. Now, see, banana crop is known by the different crops also, like antique fruit crop, tree of paradise, Adam figs, plant of virtue, apple of paradise, banana. Okay, again think when you talk about the banana, then this fruit is mainly rich in water and carbohydrate. Okay, and in per 100 gram of the banana fruit it provides 104 calories. Okay, now this fruits banana is there, mainly banana is moisture living plant, and it is also it is a climatic fruit. Okay, sometimes this in a this banana is also referred as the kalapatru fruits, a plant of virtue. When you talk about this in the production of the banana, then India's share in the world production of banana is nearly 31%, means that is 31.6%. When you talk about the based on the cotyledons, this is monocotyledonous plant, herbaceous, and the monocarpic fruits. Okay, yesterday also when we were discussing the mango, there I've told you what is the difference between the monocarpic as well as the polycarpic. Okay, okay, their banana growth is highly influenced by the temperature. And when you talk about the irrigation, then drip irrigation is the most preferable irrigation in system in banana. Okay, let's see next point. For the growth period, the temperature between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius is ideal for the good plant growth, but grows well when the temperature is 26.5 degrees Celsius. And the ripened banana contains 27% of the sugar. And when you talk about edible part of the banana, then it is starchy parenchyma. Banana is the richest source of vitamin. Banana is the richest source of potassium. Okay. When you talk about the polyploidy level, then most of the cultivated banana is triploid in nature. Okay. See, multi-story system that is followed in Kerala is Poonam and Ne Poonam. They are preferred in multi-story systems. Okay. Again, when you talk about this Monthan variety of banana, the sugar which is present mainly is glucose. Okay. Musa acuminata, this is the source of today's edible banana. And then that even starchy when they become ripened. Okay. Gross Michael variety of banana, they are susceptible to the Panama wilt. Okay. And Poonam is resistant to this disease. See, these are the important points which there is no explanation in it. Okay. Regarding when you talk about the growth, how when you draw the growth curve of banana, then it gives double sigmoid structure. Okay. When you do the high density planting in a banana, then fingertip disease is the most serious disease in this. And you must have studied regarding the tetrazoleum test in case of seed technology. Then this test is for the bunchy top virus detection in banana. And just you have seen before that most of the cultivated banana in our country, that is triploid in natures. Okay. Now see some horticulture practices are there, like when you remove the male bud in a removal of male bud from the banana plant, that is denabling, or when you remove the unwanted suckers. Okay, and that is the removal of unwanted sucker is known as desuckering. Okay, when you talk about the weight of sword sucker, that is 500 to 750 gram. Okay, apart from the sword sucker, cut rhizomes, that is known as beets and peppers, they are also used for the propagation method. What is rhizome? They are generally modified form of stem. When you talk about the spacing in banana, it is 2.1 to 2.1 meter squares. Okay, like it is for this Poonam, Nandran. Okay, 1.8 into 1.8 meter square. That is Basari, Ulhan Jawari. Okay, in high density planting, what will be the spacing? 1.1 into 1.2, 1.2 into 1.2. Okay. See, if you want to maximize the yield, then minimum 10 to 12 leaves are required to that should be retained on the mother plant. Okay, and a strong wind that can cause the damage to the plant. So that is very you could say that is threat to the successful banana productions. For if you are doing the long transportations, then what should be the ideal stage of harvesting? When it should be harvested at the not complete maturity, 75 to 80% maturity. When we talk about the storage, then it is stored at 30 degrees Celsius temperature, and humidity is for nearly 85 to 95% for 3 weeks. Bungee top of banana is also called cabbage top. Okay. When you talk about the male flower of banana, that is resistant to the Panama wilt disease, but they are susceptible to the bungee top disease. Similarly, Sigatoka leaf spot disease of banana, which was observed in 1913. Okay, this is also serious disease in banana. After that, by ELISA test, you can detect the virus disease in the banana cultivators. Okay, and again, when you talk about the seedlessness of banana, that is controlled by the speed of 240. Okay, crop duration, then the bunch of the crops will be ready for the harvest after the 12 to 15 months of the planting. Okay, and maturity when it attains after 100 to 150 days after the flowering. That also depends upon the variety. Okay, just before you have discussed, there is source of potassium. These are the various practices that is followed in banana, like mattocking, propping, earthing up, bunch covering. Thus bunch covering is done to protect from the sunburn, earthing up to improve the root system, propping to provide support, mattocking that pseudo or cut after the harvest. Okay, and it should be ideal distance is 2 meter height is more beneficial in case of mattocking. Okay, propagation, this is propagated through the suckers. Also, it is done through the tissue cultures. Okay, two types of suckers are there. One is short suckers and another is water suckers. A plant can produce 5 to 20 suckers during the life time of 12 to 14 months. Okay, and regarding beets and peppers, we have already studied. Now, when you talk about the cultivation, then land preparation, you have to plug the land at least 3 to 4 times and about 10 ton of the well decomposed farm manures. After that, what you have to do, that in India, you see that banana are cultivated in various different types of systems. Okay, one is garden land systems. In majority portion, this is only garden land system is used, and wetland cultivations. Okay, this is mainly practiced in this few districts of Tamil Nadu. Hill cultivation. Okay, this is practiced in the Tamil Nadu, in Gujarat and Maharashtra, furrow method, and in Tamil Nadu, trench method of planting is followed. Okay, this is wetland. This trench method is followed in wetland system of cultivations. Okay, when you select the suckers, then while selecting the suckers, short suckers, they should be free from the diseases of other plants. Sucker should be up to 3 plants old, 2-3 months old, uniform in size. Its weight should be 1 to 1.5 kg. For Nandran, Rasthali. Okay. Again, tissue culture plants should be two type, 25 to 30 centimeter in height and 5 centimeter in girth. Okay. Again, when you talk about the varieties, planting time, then for different varieties, the different planting time is used. Like variety like Poonam, February to April, Nandran, April to May, Hill banana, April to May. Okay. Now, when you talk about the varieties, the dwarf Cavendish, Barsai, this is the leading commercial cultivator, nearly contributes 58% of the total production. Robusta, this is mainly grown in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra. Okay. Similarly, when you talk about the Grand Name, this is internationally most acceptable variety, both for the digital processing purpose. After that, when you talk about Poonam, then this is the best choice for the table banana. After that, when you talk about Punam, Mysore AAB. This is one of the major commercial cultivator that is grown throughout the country. Okay, crop duration is of 13 to 14 months. Then again, next variety is hill banana. This is suitable for the jam making also. Okay, take the screenshot, read the few characteristics of this. Lady's finger, this is diploid banana variety. Nipunam, this is also diploid. Again is Karpurvalli, this is the popular variety of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Bihar, which can grow in extreme weather conditions also. Some important diseases of banana are Panama wilt, so you got toka leaf spot, bunchy top, moko disease, Konkan disease. Important insect rhizome weevil, monophagous in nature, aphids. Okay, so guys, see, in short period I tried my best to give you the complete information. You can stop the video, take the screenshots, and that much information is enough. When you talk about the something, let's talk about the production of the banana in our country. Then you know which state is the leading producer of banana in our states, the country. That's Andhra Pradesh, followed by Gujarat, and highest area is present in Karnataka. Okay, next when you talk in a fruits wise, then you can also see that among the fruits that highest area is by mango, then citrus, then banana, but the production is of the banana, then mango, then citrus. When you talk about the productivity, then papaya, then followed by banana, then grapes. Okay, thank you.